how to fix this error code on your Windows. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also getting this type of error code on your Windows 10 or 11, what you can do is just first head over to your search bar and just search in for activation. So once you search in for activation settings, you just open it, and then your activation settings screen should look like this. And if it's so, the error code, which is this 0xc004f213, so just tap on this troubleshoot from over here, and once you do that, you may have to click on this I changed the hardware on this device recently, because this type of error mostly occur if you have recently changed your hardware on your device. So just tap on it, and after you troubleshoot for it for some time, it should get you to this screen where you will have to just click on the activate button over here to enable the option, or reactivate Windows by simply logging in with your Microsoft account. So make sure you log in with your Microsoft account first before getting to this screen, and just tap on your device name and just click on activate. And then once you click on activate, your device should finally look like this. And that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.